Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Creatie tutorial how to connect frames. As example, I will create new frame and you can create text like in the top here. I will set frame 1. The next can create again other text in the bottom. You can set the names into move to frame 2. And I will copy, duplicate to create another frame. And in there I will create frame 2. Now we can change again the names into frame 1. Now to connect between frames, you can go to prototype. Okay, this is prototype. Click and then you can click on frame 1. I will move to frame 2. You can click at these icons, move into here, frame 2. And now this text, you can move into frame 1. Now you can play by clicking this presence icon. And if you click this move to frame 2, could be connect into the frame 2. Click again to move into frame 1 and click into frame 2. Okay, that's it for basic Creatie tutorial, how to connect frames. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.